This is the transparent fiberglass tape. It is 2 inches by 30 yards. It is a really great thing to have if you have to pack boxes or do any kind of outdoor projects because the fabric in this tape is strong and durable. So you can see all the lines going across the tape, the fiberglass. It really makes the tape strong. You can see right there. Heavy duty. I'm going to cut a piece. Very strong and durable tape. And across this box, it seals very securely. It's great for anything you need to hold together. Very strong tape for all the fabric lines. It is waterproof, so if it gets wet, it's good. Just has a lot of great uses, and you get this great big tape roll, so this will last for a lot of projects.